watching Daytime with Kimberly and Esteban. I'm Carla Salinas, and if you were in an accident caused by drinking and driving after you left a restaurant or bar, then this episode is for you. Today we'll be heading into the Moore Law Firm to see how much help is really out there. With the holidays and big celebrations coming around, Michael Moore, owner of the Moore Law Firm, is warning about the overservice of alcohol at restaurants or bars.
In Texas, it's illegal for a restaurant or a bar to serve a patron, a customer, to the point where they're legally intoxicated. It's illegal. And what happens is that people may spend an hour or two at a restaurant or a bar and not really realizing it, or they've been overserved, and they get behind a vehicle, they drive, they cause an accident. Well, the driver is at fault for the accident, but the driver is at fault for the accident because they're very likely caused the accident because they're intoxicated. And the intoxication is a result of the overservice of alcohol. Under the Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission, which regulates all restaurants and bars, requires that restaurants and bars not overserve patrons to the point where they're what they call that they're a danger to themselves and to others.
Michael explains under certain circumstances, bars can and should be held responsible for overserving patrons.
An accident where there's an intoxicated driver and the intoxication result of the restaurant or bar of overservice of alcohol, that restaurant or bar can be held legally responsible for all the injuries that caused, including the person that became intoxicated can also has a right to sue the bar because they allowed that person to get behind the wheel, steering wheel of a vehicle and drive off. They actually have to intervene and stop that person from leaving the restaurant or bar and call a taxi or call an Uber.
But how much service is overservice?
In Texas, the legal limit for alcohol, what they call BAC, blood alcohol content, is 0.08. To become 0.08 is about 2.5 drinks within 1 hour. You are not allowed to overserve the alcohol. And if they overserve the alcohol, they're legally responsible for the injuries that person may cause as a result of that. But in Texas, it's 0.08, and to get that within an hour, it's about 2.5 drinks of alcohol.
It's important to hire a lawyer as soon as an accident happens.
Very important to get in there early. Just like in other cases where there's surveillance videos inside of restaurants and bars, it's the same thing on these type of cases. We get in there early, we go get court orders, we preserve the video evidence that shows the overservice of alcohol, and it shows who's there. Because we have to show these cases through witnesses and through the videotape and through other evidence that they overserve the alcohol at the restaurant and bar.
For more information, call the Moore Law Firm at 956-400-0000 or visit their website at more-firm.com.